What is good, everyone? So in today's video, I'll be going over how I made $4,300 trading NQ today. You guys can see $860 across my 5 funded accounts. This trade was pretty damn crazy, I can't lie. So first of all, I actually took a break-even trade. What is this, bro? Remove indicators. I first of all took a break-even trade, right? Then I gave my trade another chance, and it made sense to get in another entry, and we made money off that. So let's go over this, right? Now, if we go here, right, we can clearly see that, okay, first of all, if we go to the 4 hour, 1 hour, like we are bullish, bro. Look at this. Now we had all-time highs, didn't catch this move, but bro, we are bullish here, right? Just look at this, bro. We are bullish, right? So went down to the 30-minute and I looked at market open because that's what I trade, right? Went down to the 5-minute specifically. Now, first of all, we did technically grab liquidity to the upside here at 9 a.m. Eastern, okay? So 3 p.m. Central Europe time. Now, first of all, second of all, actually, there was equal lows down here, which that is what I was interested in seeing getting tapped and liquidated at market open. Then if we got a rejection after that, that could potentially be a move we could take advantage of, right? So what happened here, right? We pushed down, market open, grab liquidity, 15-minute candle right here, right? 15-minute time frame, 15-minute candle closed bullish. Beautiful bullish candle. Beautiful bullish closure right here, right? And with a liquid grab to the downside, liquidating these lows, right? These 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. Eastern lows, right? I mean, this just screams take buys, right? Take buys, take buys. Like this is going to go up, right? And potentially even all-time highs, right? So I did take it on the 5-minute, didn't take it on the 15-minute time frame right here on the body closure like this. This would have been pretty nice as well. And we had equal highs up here, right? This would have been decently or like pretty damn good. But I did wait for a 5-minute, another 5-minute closure because we did have a fair value gap here, which is basically what I want to see, get disrespected because I was afraid that, the 15 would close bullish here, right? Right here, right? But I was afraid that the next one might do something like this, right? Obviously, in hindsight, that didn't happen, but I was afraid that this might happen and this fair value gap would hold, right? So I wanted to see it get disrespected on the 5-minute, right? So I didn't enter here, but I did enter right here, right? Well, obviously, this has take profit, right? And stops was like, I think stops were like, below this, basically, below the structure. This wasn't meant to be broken in anyways if we wanted to continue down, right? Now, what happens here, bro? Obviously, these are my break-even levels, these highs, right? So we push up, first of all, right? We push up. Then I go break even right here. So moving my, stops to break even, making it a risk-free trade. We move even up higher. Like this looks like you want to continue up to these highs. Look at these equal highs, bro. This is my drawn liquidity for the day. These equal highs right here from the 15th of July. Bro, I literally got edged 4 times, bro. Look at this, boys. We push up here. Great. I'm looking like I'm thinking like easy 5K day. Like, this shit is easy, bro. This looks like a liquidity grab. We'll continue up, maybe even to all-time highs. Great. Now then we push up to here. We start rejecting. I'm like, bro, if this edges me, I'm done, bro. I can't anymore. We push down another 1-minute liquidity grab right here, right? 1-minute liquidity grab down here, breaking these lows, we push up even further, but we never tap this, bro. And keep in mind, I had my take profit up here because I was accounting for spreads, and that's like basically 0.5 points away from those equal highs, right? So we were what? We were fucking, let's see here. We were 5 points away, less than 5 points away from my take profit, and I get tap break even. Oh my days, I was fuming here, right? I was really fuming. I can't lie. I was pretty pissed at this. It's probabilities. I can't do anything about it. It's just annoying. You're getting so close to take profit and then just hits your break even, right? But obviously it's still valid since those highs hasn't gotten liquidated yet. Okay, so I still was looking for those highs to get liquidated, and indeed I became the liquidity here. Okay, if you see my entry, I became the liquidity. Once I, basically trailed my stop to break even, I became the liquidity. We grabbed liquidity another, like again, right? And then we pushed. And I was like, bro, that's the move. That's the move for the day. So first liquid grab here, second liquid grab right here, where I was the liquidity at my break even level. Okay, so I realized that and I looked at the 15. I was like, bro, let's delete this first one. Let me ask myself, if I didn't take this first entry, you always gotta ask yourself this. If you're taking another entry, okay, always ask yourself this. does this make sense to enter if I didn't enter the trade before? Okay, is this my original entry? Is this my original setup? And would I take this if I didn't take a trade prior to this, right? And the answer in that case was yes. If I didn't take this first trade right here, I would have taken this trade right here because it's still a liquid grab. Okay, this is not happening that often. I can't lie. This happens quite rare that I end up taking another entry, but I only end up taking another entry if my take profit and draw on liquidity, which was pretty strong today, hasn't gotten tapped yet, and I end up becoming the liquidity. Okay, that's the only way I can enter position. But basically, this fair value gap right here, it held, and we basically close bullish on the 15-minute. And bro, I'm like, bro, I just got liquidated right here. My break-even entry got tapped. It's flying now, and let me enter again, right? So I entered. Stops was somewhere around there, pretty tight stop, 26 points. And I was originally looking for all-time highs here, right? I had this drawn out, right? This is all-time highs. So I was looking for this, but I was like, bro, this is some funky July price action. Like I got tap break even during Monday, I do believe, and this is Thursday now. I got tap break even during Monday, the 14th, and then price ran. Like I entered somewhere around here. I got tap break even after going, break even up here. Got tap break even, then it ran without me. And I'm like, bro, that is not gonna happen again. I can't lie. Like I can't be asked for that to happen again. So what do? I place my take profit at these equal highs for a quick 1-to-1, right? And I even like account for spreads, bro. What happens, boys? I end up taking the trade, obviously, basically zero drawdown, perfect. Like this is textbook play. I'm pretty sure I had my stops below this 1 minute low. Price pushes up here. Boom, makes it an high, breaking these highs, and then it starts rejecting. I'm like, bro, if I get edged here again, I'm actually fuming. Like I'm actually done. What do? We push up, grab these highs, didn't take my profit yet, didn't tap my take profit yet. Then we reject heavily. I'm like, bro, oh my days. Am I gonna get edged 4 times now? 4 times. Then we push up. I hope, and I'm glad I survived this bottom wick right here because this turned out to be a liquid grab on the 1 minute for price to then continue up because we broke these lows and these lows, right? But still, like we push up again and we edge my take profit again, bro. 5 times in a row. First of all, 1, right? 2, 3, because I had my take profit up here at this position. 4, 5, bro. And at this point, when I see this, right, when I see this high get taken in and we start rejecting, I'm like, bro, I'm actually gonna either close out here. So I started trailing my stop. Basically, I started trailing my stop to like I'm pretty sure like these lows. And then because I just couldn't be asked to be inside the I'm even pretty sure I trailed it to this low. We never hit that low, obviously, and then we pushed up here. But bro, I was done after this. Like, bro, this was a crazy trade. I can't lie. And looking, at it in hindsight, could I have continued holding up here? Yes, I could. But it's July. Price action is very funky. I wasn't expecting this big of a move. I can't lie. So I don't feel FOMO at all. This was my plan. My plan was to take profit at these equal highs because it was edging it a lot. And I had no idea if price wanted to do something like, push up and then start rejecting like this. And then we'll continue down for the entire day. I had no clue, right? So rather just keep it safe, take a little 1-to-1 because it made sense to enter, made sense to place my stops there, made sense to exit there. So pretty damn nice trade, a little 4K. And yeah, I mean, can't lie. So yeah, thank you for watching, boys. If you like these trade recaps, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.